Shut the water back off the toilet and go ahead and flush the tank again. You'll notice a little collar towards the bottom of the fill valve shank. We can then reach in and pull that collar up. That's going to allow us to lift the fill valve. I'm going to go 2 clicks here, and then we'll push the collar back into place. With the collar back in, we'll turn the water to the tank back on. We're now just a little bit too high, so I'll show you how we fine tune it. The circle on the top of the fill valve is a fine tuning mechanism. If we rotate clockwise, the water level will increase, counterclockwise will decrease. We're going to go ahead and go counterclockwise. I like to run until the rod is about halfway. I'll then pull the lever up and let water go through just enough until the fill valve begins to kick back on. You may need to play around to get the adjustment you need. In this case, we're going to increase a little bit back into it.